Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another Ramble session on a Monday. I hope y'all are doing well. As you can probably see from the title, this is going to be my last Ramble session for an undetermined amount of time. Oh, dear me, dear me. So, welcome if you're new here, and welcome back if you're returning. I appreciate your support. The reason that this is going to be the last one for an undetermined amount of time is because yesterday we put our house on the market, and I think it went, the whatever it's called, the listing went live at before noon. And I think by 2 o'clock in the afternoon, something like that, we had somebody that wants to come see it now. They can't wait till next week for the open house. They want to see it now. And so that has put me into a frenzy. My most of my craft room is now packed in boxes. I have reserved an art bag, but have not been able to work on anything because I'm, busy packing up and cleaning and all this other stuff. And currently, it is 5:30 in the morning. I've been up since 3, and so we're currently, still looking for a new house, and I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen, but I do know someone who does know, and that is my Lord. And so I will trust that he knows what's going on. So this is my January book. And I don't know. I mean, I do love it. I've enjoyed working in it, when I can. I have only done a few pages, and then look, by the third. But then, back here, I've done some more pages and decorated some more. And I really, really want to I want to come in here and do some stuff. Currently, I'm filming on the 14th, I think. And so I would love to be able to have time to sit in here and work in this book, but I do not. I do not have the time because now it's crunch time. It's crunch time. So that's that's all really. I came on here to let you guys know it's going to be a short one. I'm really sorry. I need to, vacuum and mop and clean and all this other kind of stuff. And you're probably asking, well, Elizabeth, why wasn't this stuff done before you listed your house? Yeah, that's a good question. I have no answer for it, okay? No answer for it. So we're just busy rearranging stuff, packing up, and doing the best we can do, And so I don't know when I'm going to have another craft room. I don't know if I'm going to have another craft room. I don't know where we're going to be living. And, I mean, if somebody buys our house, I don't know. I don't know. It's all up in the air. So, so that's pretty much it, things are just crazy, a silver lining, though, is that my medication is my cancer medication, that part is going okay. I'm still trying to increase the dosage and whatnot. My husband is going to have major surgery at the end of February. Yeah. So there's that. And otherwise, we're doing our best to stay afloat, quite honestly. It's just been a very stressful time. And so, I don't want to be a Debbie Downer, but I do look forward to, having another craft room sometime very soon and being able to do, some creative things. I probably should have kept out at least a sketchbook or something like that. I mean, like I said, I did have a bag, I have an art bag, but currently I can hardly even get to my dining room table because of all the boxes. And all the boxes that I have packed so far are just from my craft room, and it is an insane amount of stuff. And that's even after decluttering from 2 years ago when we moved. Oh my goodness. I told my husband yesterday, I said, I'm telling you right now, if I have to move again after this time, I'm chucking all of my craft supplies because I can't do this again. No. So yeah. Yeah. So that's where we're at. That's where we're at. Now, on my channel every Thursday for the next couple of months, I have my journaling journey where I've gone through, as I've been packing up my craft room, I've been going through all my old journals with you. And so they are on a playlist right down in the description box below. You can go ahead and peruse that. Otherwise, feel free to look back at my older videos. You know, on this channel, I have over 1,000 videos. I know, crazy, but yeah. Oh, look, I was testing out a pen. Yeah, I have over 1,000 videos that you can feel free to peruse. I have numerous playlists. You know, if you go through those, I have a playlist for just, you know, for journaling itself. I have journal with me videos. I have tutorials on how to make journals, all sorts. I have glue book videos. I have just all sorts of videos. So feel free to go back and peruse my channel during this time while I'm taking a bit of a sabbatical, if you will, until my life calms down and until, you know, we have a place to live. I mean, currently we have a place to live, but we don't know how long that's going to be because, you know, I mean, hopefully someone is interested in our house and, you know, does want to buy it. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah, otherwise we're just kind of in limbo here and dealing with everything else that life has thrown our way. So, yeah, I am keeping notes in my diary, like my daily planner / diary thing. So I do have notes for all the days. I'm glad that I'm able to still, you know, jot those things down. Yeah, and otherwise, yeah, things are, like I said, they're just in limbo, they're up in the air, and I'm just going to take a little break, step away from filming for a while because, in all honesty, probably by the end of today, I will have no place to film anymore because my table is going to be taken out of here, my setup is going to be taken out, so, and all packed away. So I'm not going to have even a place to film or anything like that. I'll try to keep you guys updated probably on the community tab if I can. But other than that, yeah, I'm going to try to, you know, somehow weave my journaling into my life right now. I don't know if that's going to happen or not. Yeah, so we'll see. And I will take this time to just thank you so much for your time. I know time is precious. Trust me, I know. And I really appreciate that you choose to spend it with me. I will catch you on the other side, hopefully sooner rather than later. Yeah, I hope you all have a great rest of your day, a wonderful week, and I hope to talk at you all real soon. Bye for now.